Yes, Scott, the market does not like uncertainty, and the Ukraine issue is really that uncertainty. This heinous aggression of Russia into Ukraine really brings in that uncertainty. And what we start looking at is the sanctions. So we, as many other investors did yesterday, we went through all our holdings, our international holdings, to see what was impacted, what had impact with Russia. And so what we found is that obviously we're looking at energy companies in our international strategies and also our banks. That was impacted on the international side. But when we looked at U.S. has very limited exposure to the Russian economy. And this is really important that we realize that what we're seeing in our markets today with the weakness in the markets is really short term, because we looked at a couple of stocks that we hold. For instance, PepsiCo had exposure to selling about $3 billion of their revenue comes from Russia. So PepsiCo took a hit, for instance. Morgan Stanley took a hit because they have investment banking with VTB Capital, a Russian-based bank. So as you look at this short term, there's going to be this impact of the markets. But what I'm really concerned about is what's referred to as the peace dividend. Is that being impacted now, or will it be impacted as we have to now start looking at spending more for defense? We heard about Germany and other European countries increasing their defense spend. Will that also occur here in the U.S.? And that could indicate that our markets may go lower from this point because we're taking away that peace dividend. So we have to be very careful. As Brent just indicated, you want to start looking at your portfolio and be patient through this cycle.